Hi, I'm Kirsty from the Women into Manufacturing and Engineering team. We're here in Withernsea to inspire more girls and boys to think about engineering and science careers. It's brilliantly organised with lots of interest, lots of different questions about routes into engineering and science, and a lot of different ideas. Some people have got no idea what they want to do, and some people have a strong idea what they want to do, and it's all fine. Yeah, lots of interest from parents as well as the students. Lots of good questions about what next steps could be, and really trying to understand what the careers are like in the area and wider as well. So lots of opportunities to talk about different routes, apprenticeships and degrees and next steps. So teams that are diverse, so we have a mixture of girls and boys, and always perform better. So I've worked in this industry for many, many years. If you have a set of boys working on their own, a set of girls working on their own, they don't work as well as if they're mixed, because they bring different ideas to the whole team. So we want to get more people interested in the career, but know about them, because companies can be behind big fences and people don't know what they do. So we try and get the companies out into the schools, talking about the opportunities. And we know a lot of the companies in the area and what their opportunities are. So hopefully we'll bring a plethora together in one place.